Hello guys, good morning. Today, Friday, we're just going to see STEAM, page 148 and 151 to 155. Okay, so let's start with the vocabulary. Listen to the words and definitions, then listen and repeat with your best pronunciation. Coal, coal. A rock that is made of dead plants and is burned for fuel. Greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas. Gas that is released into the atmosphere as pollution. Conservation. Conservation. The protection of animals, plants, and natural resources. Impact. Impact. The effect that an action has. Overfished. Overfished. An area where all the fish are gone because they have been caught. Overfish. Deforestation. Deforestation. Cutting down or burning all the trees in an area. Endangered. Endangered. A plant or animal species that has become very rare and may die out. Recycle. To use something again. Recycle. To use something again. Extinct. Extinct. A species that has died out. A species that has died out. Sustainably. Sustainably. In a way that avoids running out. In a way that avoids running out. Okay, so that's it for page 148. I hope that you repeated all the words. Now, we're not going to make 149 and 150 because this is going to be an experiment. And right now we don't have time to do those. If you want to do them by yourself in your house, that's fine with me. And if you do it, you can send me the picture so I can check them. But these two pages are optional, okay? So now let's go to 151. It says, human impacts on the earth. Read and listen to the following text. The Industrial Revolution was a busy time in human history. Factories were created. Coal was mined from the earth. It was burned to power engines. It helped make new products, created more jobs, and made cities grow. It also left behind holes in the air where the coal had been and filled the atmosphere with smoke. The climate began to change as a result. Since then, humans have been impacting the air more and more. These have not been good impacts. Humans affect the Earth's resources and environments. We hunt and kill animals. We cut down trees. We destroy animals' habitats. We burn fuels. We make pollution. We make garbage. Humans have dramatically changed the Earth. Over time, people have become very concerned about these changes. People want to help the earth. Conservation is the protecting of animals, plants, and resources. Scientists are learning how we impact the earth. They are trying to find new ways to conserve natural resources and the environment. They want to keep them in the same condition in which they are found. Over thousands of years, humans have developed new technology. Technology helps make humans' lives easier. Sometimes technology has bad side effects. We use science to study the consequences and make improvements to avoid further damage to the Earth's resources and environments. So now let's go to page 152. While humans have hurt the Earth, everyone can help make it better. There are many ways to do this. The problem: deforestation. As the trees are cut down, especially in the rainforests, Habitats for thousands of plants and animals are lost. Way to conserve? Okay, so we can buy goods that are made locally. Many trees are cut down for farmland. If you buy goods that are made of grown locally, you won't support the companies that are cutting down these trees. So I repeat, what is a way to conserve, well, the trees? It says, buy goods that are made locally. Many trees are cut down from farmland. If you buy goods that are made or grown locally, like in your area, in your country, you won't support the companies that are cutting down these trees. Greenhouse gases. Cars and factories burn fuel to work. They also create gases that affect Earth's climate. Way to conserve? Walk, ride a bike, or a carpool. The less you use a car, the better it is for the environment. Then we have plants and animals are becoming endangered or extinct. Many animals are killed for their valuable body parts. Others are overfished. Way to conserve? Don't buy goods that come from endangered animals. So if you know that there is an animal that, for example, let's say the whale, la ballena. Obviously, you know that that animal is in danger, right? So you don't want to eat those. So one way to conserve it is not buying those types of animals that you know that are in danger. Only eat seafood that is sustainably caught. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Have you heard this saying? Maybe you have a recycling program at your school or in your community. It is better to reduce what we use, reuse what we can, and recycle materials so that resources can be conserved. It also prevents excess trash from being discarded into the environment. Okay, so that's it for page 152. Let's go to 153. Game zone. Play conservation bingo with a partner. Look at the table below. The table shows ways you can help conserve the Earth's resources and environments. Check off any of the things you have done in the past week. Then take turns with a partner sharing each thing you have done. The person who has done the most to conserve wins. Okay, so you're going to do this part, I don't know, maybe with your mom, your brother, your sister, your grandma, with a person that you have with you there. Okay, so this is like this is supposed to be like bingo. Okay, so you're going to take turns. For example, I don't know, maybe you are the black cross and your mom or your grandma or whatever, it's the purple cross. So you're going to do it like that. You're going to check off anything that you have done in the past week. So maybe if you use solar power, you're going to check off. If you, or you can do it like this. Yeah, because it doesn't say cross out, it says check off, so I think it's like this. Or if you use, I don't know, a carpool, you do it like that. Okay, so it says the person who has done the most to conserve wins. So if you have more or the other person has more than you, that person wins. Okay, now answer the following questions. Why do humans use technology? Why do we use it? Number 2, what was mined from the earth during the Industrial Revolution? That is on page 152. We just read it. Number 3, what does reduce, reuse, and recycle mean? You can also find it on page 152. And number 4, what is deforestation? You can also find that one in 152. Now, the self-assessment. Circle the statement that describes you best. I can do more to help the earth. I already do a lot to protect the earth. You have to be honest. Remember that this is for you, okay? So now let's go to page 154. Carbon footprint calculation. Everything we do has an impact on the environment. Our actions release greenhouse gases into the air. The most common greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. How much carbon dioxide you release through your everyday actions is called your carbon footprint. Calculate your carbon footprint below. Circle the best answer. So, I am going to do this. Here so you can see my example and you can do yours, okay? How do you get to school? Walk or bike, bus, carpool, or car? In my case, I use the car, okay? So I am going to circle the car. Then I have, what kind of food do you eat most often? A, mostly vegetables and fruits. B, bread. C, vegetables, fruit, bread, and meat. Or D, mostly meat. In my case is letter C. What kind of food does your family eat? A, home, locally grown or raised food. That means that you only get your vegetables and fruits from your house. Like you grow your own vegetables and fruits. Letter B, store and homegrown. That means that you buy some in the store, but others you have in your house. Letter C, store bought only. And letter D, fast food all the time. Fast food is like pizza, hamburgers, I don't know, tortas, tacos, things like that. Those are fast food. So in my case is letter C, because I don't have like a big yard to grow my own food, so I have to buy it by the store. Now, do you turn the water off when you brush your teeth? Yes. Do you turn off lights when you leave a room? Yes. Do you unplug appliances, chargers were not in use? I am going to be honest, I sometimes do that. Sometimes I forget. So, just being honest. Does anyone in your home own the following items? So here in this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 things that you need to circle the ones that you use in your house or the ones that you have at your home. Okay, so in my case, it's the TV, the cell phone, computer, refrigerator, and the microwave. Because I don't have a DVD player, I don't have a motorcycle, I don't have a video game system, and I don't have a dishwasher. A dishwasher is a machine where you can put all your dirty dishes and the machine wash them all. Like you don't have to do anything, just to put your dishes inside and that's it. But the thing is that the dishwasher wastes a lot of water, so it's not so good. Now it is the time to score your answers. Put the points in the far right column. So now let's calculate. So in the number 1 I put D, that means that are 8 points. Then number 2 I use C, 6 points. C, 6 points. A, 2 points. A, 2 points. B, 4 points. And here 2 points each appliance. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So in total I need to count them. Let's see. So here I have 20 plus 10, 30, and 8, 38. So just making sure that everything is correct. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 8, 38. Yes, I am correct. Okay, so that's it for page 154. You have to put your own answers. Okay, this is just an example so you can see how to do it. Now, 155. Bring down your total points from your previous page. So I had 38. Now I'm going to write them. 38. Now, do you recycle? For each of the items that you recycle, subtract 2 points from your total. So what do I recycle? I recycle plastic containers, also glass bottles, plastic grocery bags, and that's it. I don't do like a lot. I need to do more things. So now I'm going to subtract 2, 4, 6 points from 38, and now I have 32 points. Okay, now how did you do? 16 minus 20. You are doing an awesome job of protecting the earth. Keep it up. 21 to 30. You are doing pretty well with your choices. 31 to 40, which I am there. Oh no, that's a lot of impact. Are there any changes that can be made to reduce your carbon footprint? I guess. Yes, I can do more, obviously. 40 and more. Wow, maybe we should revisit your relationship with Mother Earth. So I hope you have less than 40. But if you have 40, that's okay. This is the time to see how much we have and how we can help the Earth. Okay? Now, review your answers. What changes do you think you can make to reduce your carbon footprint? Things I will turn off. The lights, obviously. The TV, if I am using it. The computer. What I will eat. Grown food. No, let's put my own grown food. My own grown food. What I will recycle. Let's say batteries, and I think aluminum and steel cans. So let's write batteries. And cans. Latas. Okay, so those are the things that I can do to help the earth. Okay, obviously this page 2 you're going to do it by yourself with your own answers. This is just an example so you can see how to do it. Okay, so that's it for me. I am finished, you're finished, and that's it for today, Friday. So we can have the whole weekend to rest, to watch TV, to play. Okay, so I will see you on Monday. I love you guys and I miss you with all my heart.